Boom, 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 boom. What up, y'all? We're back. This one was actually requested a few times. Brand new blueberry pie Oreo. Backed by popular demand and requested by popular demand. Graham flavored cookies with blueberry flavored cream. Apparently these were around like a long time ago, and people have been asking for them forever. And people have literally asked me to try these. They're just hit the shelves. I'm not the biggest blueberry. I was gonna say muffin. I'm not the biggest blueberry fan. I'm not against blueberries. It's just, oh, look at that, bro. This doesn't even seem like a good idea. Okay. Sugar's in this thing. 11 grams of sugar for 2 cookies. It's white with blueberry. The filling just tastes like a blueberry muffin, straight up. Maybe because that was on my brain. And then the graham cookie. I mean, I guess a blueberry muffin just tastes like blueberries, so it tastes like that. It's spot on. The color is very alarming, but it makes sense. But it's like, geez Louise, what am I eating? Play-Doh? But who am I? Look at me. Just a fat guy complaining about the color of food. Color of snacks. It's getting on my finger. It's kind of like, yeah, didn't have my tongue. We're eating 2 of them to be sure. The first one, catches you off guard. That boy was really messing with her, dude. They're not my favorite because blueberry pie is not my favorite, but I understand why people like them. People really like blueberry muffins. I'd rather have a chocolate chip muffin if I were to eat a muffin. That doesn't mean blueberry muffins are bad. It's just not my favorite thing. It's about to make me sneeze, though. Whew. All right, you guys get to watch my live sneeze. That's because it's in the morning, and sugar in the morning is no good for you. It's no good for you anytime. It's really no good for me in the morning. Blueberry pie Oreo. I don't know. I have to rate on my own scale. That being said, if you like blueberry muffins or blueberry pie, you will love these. I think regular Oreo is better, which means I feel like I can't go above a 5. So I'm going to give it a 4.9. But that doesn't mean it's bad. It just means it's not for me. It's definitely a different vibe for an Oreo. If you love blueberry pie or blueberry muffins, definitely give it a try. Tell me while I'm wrong in the comments. Sorry for the sneeze.